Assalamualaikum. How are you students? I hope you will be fine, healthy and safe. Today I am going to teach you the remaining part of exercise of lesson 3. So quickly open your book page 28. Today we will start from here. In this box some words are given and on other side their meanings are given. Let's use the word go differently. Learn how the phrases have been substituted with a single word. Students, you will understand these words and also their meanings. We will only use these words to complete the blanks in coming ones, keeping the meanings of these words in your mind. So C part of this exercise is now complete the sentences with suitable phrases given on the last page to understand their usage. First sentence is, we must dash to the stairs carefully. We will write go down in first blank. We will write go down in first blank. In second blank, in anger, the master told the servant to dash at once. We will write go down on knees in second blank. In third blank, he asked to dash and asked for forgiveness. We will write go forward in third blank. In fourth blank, the commander-in-chief ordered the army to dash in the battlefield. We will write go down. We will write go into. We will write go into. Go into in fourth blank. Take a shower before you dash the pool. We will write go away. We will write go away in the fifth blank. Go away in fifth blank. The tortoise began to dash towards the winning post. We will write go back. We will write go back in the sixth blank. I will repeat it again. We will write go down in first blank. Go down in first blank. Go down on knees in second blank. We will write go forward in third blank. Go into fourth blank. Go away in fifth blank and go back in sixth blank.